Hello. I know a lot of people are worried because of the recent price drops in Bitcoin as it's compared or traded against the dollar. I wanted to give some information that would probably give you a little hope and make you a little bit optimistic about where Bitcoin is going in general. So, here, as we stated earlier, the price of Bitcoin as of today, which is November 21st, 2018, the price of Bitcoin is $4,548.42, as shown on coinmarketcap.com. And here's where I said we should kind of maybe consider some optimism. I'm on the website bitinfocharts.com and the Bitcoin rich list. I like the sound of that. Also, pay attention to the 100 richest Bitcoin addresses listed on this site. I'm going to focus on the top 5. The top 5 addresses hold a minimum of $447 million. Okay? Also significant about the top 5 addresses are that these addresses, 3 of the top 5 Bitcoin addresses are cold wallets, meaning that the owners of the wallet are holding Bitcoin. They're not selling. Okay? Also, I have heard, and these are just opinions of people that I've read in other groups and even other YouTubers, that they have a pretty good idea or pretty good guess that these addresses are owned by Wall Street firms. And I know that, a lot of people say, well, everything that we hear on the mainstream media from the Wall Street, quote unquote, experts, they are not bullish on Bitcoin. But I want you to listen to this interview from a podcast, Shin's Unchained podcast, where she interviews Barry Silbert. And we talk about, and she asks him the question of what Wall Street thinks about cryptocurrencies and especially Bitcoin.
You just mentioned Wall Street, and I know that in previous remarks you have said that what Wall Street says publicly about crypto is differently from what they say in private. What are those differences?
Well, look, I think the Jamie Dimon quotes have been fantastic. And there's plenty of anecdotes of people being in the JP Morgan building, meeting people about XYZ digital currency related when Jamie makes these comments. What we're seeing right now is despite the drop in prices, despite the drop in volumes this year, the level of engagement and the level of seriousness that we see coming out of the Wall Street institutions and banks is at an all-time high.
So, Barry Silbert, the founder and CEO of Digital Currency Group, they invest in cryptocurrencies. He basically says that despite the drop in prices, in volume, the drop in price in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin and the volume of trading, that Wall Street, the level of seriousness and engagement of the banking industry is at an all-time high. So does that give you optimism? Tell me what you guys think. I thought that information was interesting. A lot of times with stocks, there's inside information, but with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin as a whole, there's a lot more transparency. So tell me what you guys think. Like this video, and if you're so inclined, subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.